In this video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step guide on how to use the feeling cards to connect with your little ones. Step 1. You need to set aside time for this special parent-child bonding activity. This activity will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Ground yourself with the purpose of this special bonding activity. Write down all the to-dos helps me to stay present with the special person in front of me. Step 3. You are now ready to give your undivided attention to your little one. Step 4. Consider letting your little one to decide which way they would like to play for the day. Step 5. Be ready to share. Be authentic about how you are feeling at the moment. Step 6. Listen. Listen actively and attentively. Listen with open heart is what they need from you. That's it. If you have the Macdonald's feelings cards, you will find some suggested questions at the back of each cards. Use that to assist your little one if they have no clue what to share. In the same card set, there are activity cards that allow you and your child to do together as well. Have fun and enjoy the special bonding time.